Brixpo is a massive fan-run LEGO event which is held annually in Woodville in South Australia. This year's event is held in mid-July, but here is a glimpse of what was on display at Brixpo 2021. The first Brixpo was held in 2019, and since then, every year it's gotten bigger and bigger. There are hundreds of incredible builds to see, from all different genres of LEGO. Brixpo is a fantastic family event, and there really is something here to suit everybody. LEGO Star Wars has proven to be incredibly popular over the years, and here at Brixpo there was no shortage of awesome exhibits from a galaxy far, far away. We are all massive fans of The Mandalorian, so it was no surprise that this was another one of our very favourite exhibits. At fan events like Brixpo, you are guaranteed to see some truly unique builds. Like, check out this grandfather clock.
Wow! That is a grandfather clock, which must be about 6.5 feet tall.
This diorama of ancient Egypt was an absolute highlight. Who needs to travel when you can see the world through LEGO?
Check out this Thunderbirds one, that is so cool.
The winner of Brixpo 2021 was this incredible glow-in-the-dark diorama. There were also a couple of really cool train sets at Brixpo. Some of these LEGO masters have spent hundreds of hours working on these incredible exhibitions. And in my humble opinion, it was worth every minute. These Star Wars builds were incredibly impressive. It really seemed like every second build was straight out of a Star Wars movie. It really is amazing what some people can do with LEGO. This one was more than just a great build, it was an engineering marvel.
I'm a bit of a fan of the Wizard of Oz, and this is the Emerald City. How good is this? So over here we got black and white Dorothy before the tornado come through. And here we are. She's got the yellow brick road. How good is this? That is amazing.
I hope you enjoyed checking out Brixpo 2021, and to see some more great things that you can do around Adelaide and South Australia, click on this video over here next. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later.